Hello, friend. Happy Navaratras to all my friends. These are very auspicious 9 days for our Hindu peoples. We worship Goddess Durga, Shakti. So today I am going to talking about the Sun planet. And the Sun is the great source of light in the universe. And the Sun also represent our Father. Sun also represent our reputation, our name, fames, and our popularity. And sun give us confidence because it is the source of energies. Even sun, if give the power to our eyes because it's also represent to eyes, and sun is also represent to our heart, and sun is also represent to our bones. So on 17th of October 2020, Sun goes in Libra sign. So Sun become debilitated. And debilitated Sun is not good because if power stations stop their powers, so it affect the whole all the signs. So firstly, I would like to tell you that you have to make analysis of your horoscopes and you have to check in your horoscope either sun position in your horoscope in 6th house, 8th house, 12th house, that is not good. If sun is debilitated in your horoscope, that's also not good. So sun will live in this house for 1 month, but from 17 October to more 10 coming 10 days, the effect of this debilitated sun will be more effective and more precautious. And we have to make precaution during these periods. I analyzed the effect of these planets. Is that sun debilitated sun effect all the sun sign, all the moon sign, but it's more effect on Aries, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Pisces. So I would like to tell you what you have to do or not to do during this period. Number one, control your angers. Don't make argument with anybody's. Otherwise, there may be indicated of losses or any breakup in relationship in relation in our with our relatives. So we have to precaution from that sides also. It's also make argument and so we have to very precautious about that. Number three, we have to avoid wine, whiskey, and alcohol because otherwise there may be the chances of too much losses. Then we have to avoid non-veg and we have to offer the water to the rising sun and we with the chanting of mantras Om Grini Suryaya Namah. Then we can do chanting of Aditya Hriday Stotra. That's also very effective to remove the negative effect of the sun. Then you can chanting the mantras Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya 108 times. That's also very good for your and you should Take care of your mothers and fathers during this period. Take care of your eyes, and there may be the chances of any bones problems. And also, you should spend this time with calm, cool, so everything will be better. Because this debilitated sun effect on different sign. In Aries, it affect the education and relationship. In Taurus, it's affect the mothers and bones problems and angers. And in Scorpio, in Leo, maybe anger will be increased and argument with your brother and sisters. Then Scorpio, there may be the chances of losses of jobs, and maybe anger will be too much and affect your eyes also. Even its effect on Pisces. So there may be the chances of accident, illness. So there may be the chances of any surgery. So be precautious from that side, because precaution is better than cure. So if you want to know more details about you, if you want to make an full analysis of your horoscopes according to date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, according to Indian astrology, you can contact on my WhatsApp, you can contact on my email, you can contact on my website, and I can give you proper and precise solution and remedies, so loss will be less and less. But what precaution I given to you, that is very important. Control your anger, avoid wine, whiskey, alcohol, drive carefully, and offer water to the rising sun. So that is very important for you. It will be very helpful for you. So, friend, if you want like my videos, so please subscribe, like, share, and make some comments if you want. So if you make detailed consultation, you will find more details about your whole lives, because we are making prediction from moon sign, and but in horoscope, ascendant is very important, because our Indian astrology based on moon planet, and moon transit one house after 2 days and 6 hours, and our every ascendant change, lagna change after 2 hours and 15 minutes, and we have to check which Mahadasha is running on you. Mahadasha means like Rahu for 18 years, Jupiter for 16 years. So every planet has its own duration. And always lucky planets or friend planet of our ascendant play important role in our life. Even in Mahadasha, sub-period is there. Then sub-period in the sub-periods. So that is very deep study, very vast study. Indian Vedic astrology is an endless subject. It has no ending. Every day new research are coming. Every day new thing is coming. And it will be helpful for our life, in our success, in our prosperity, in our happiness, in our wealth, in our health. So friends, if you want, you can contact me, because consultation is available for all the problems of different spiritual lives. I will be always here to at your service. So most welcome, friends. Thank you.